Welcome back. Irfan Sheikh, owner of a horticulture outlet, has complained about harassment by the chairman of horticulture department, Sankalp Amonkar. Irfan says that he is harassed as he is a BJP supporter. However, Sankalp Amonkar has refused the claims and said that opposition is unnecessarily targeting him.
Irfan Sheikh, owner of horticulture outlet, has complained about the harassment by horticulture department for the second time. Irfan says that he has been served notice to close down his outlet at Rumda Wado in Murgaon. Horticulture department has sent show cause notice to Irfan for allegedly selling vegetables beyond the specified limit. He says he has been harassed by chairman of horticulture corporation Sankalp Amonkar as he is a BJP supporter.
पहिली म्हटलं कॉन्सुलर इलेक्शन जेन्ना जाल्लें तेन्ना म्हाका संकल्प आमोणकरान आपल्या कॅन्डिडेटाक म्हाका हेल्प करपाक सांगलेलें पण हांवें करूं ना. आमचे आमदार जो आसा मिलिंद नायक तेजो कॅन्डिडेट आमी जिखोवन हाडलेलो तेजे उपरांत बी म्हाका तेणी असोच हॅरेसमेंट केल्लो. जाल्यार तेणीन ती म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो की तुका 2000 रुपया फायन भरचे पडटले आनी ते फायन सुद्दां तेणीनूच म्हाका 2000 रुपया दिल्ले आनी ते भरतकूच तुजें चालू जातलें म्हणून. तेन्ना जो मुद्दो जालो आनी तेन्ना म्हाका तेणी हें केल्लें की तूं हेजे फुडें खंयच BJP हितून दिसों जायना आमच्या काँग्रेस पार्टीन तुवें जॉयन जावपाक पळोवपाचें म्हणून.
We spoke with chairman of horticulture corporation Sankalp Amonkar. He claims that opposition is targeting him as he is one of the aspirant candidate of Congress party.
ह्यान पयली नोटीस धाडली तेन्ना ताणें केन्ना काय करूना. आयज तुमकां खबर आसा इलेक्शन लागीं पावलेलें आसा. हांवूय एक दावेदार आसा ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो. सो हे दावेदार असल्या कारणान हे ऑपोजिशनाची ही गेम प्लॅन आसा फक्त म्हाका हेजे भितर टार्गेट करपाचो. हो इरफान म्हणटा तो ताका फर्स्ट टायमूय नोटीस सर्व जाल्लेली कित्याक अशेंच तो रेट वाडोवन विकतालो. वेस्टर्न इंडियाचे कॅन्टीन वेस्टर्न इंडियान थंयसर एक कॅन्टीन आसा त्या कॅन्टीनान हो सप्लाय करता ही भाजी.
Our reporter Surendra Madgaikar.
The Tenants Association of San Fator in Lotoli has asked the Panchayat to restore the traditional access to the sluice gate. People allege that Chogle Company has built a shed which is obstructing tenants' traditional access to the sluice gate. They also say that the company does not have legal permissions for the shed and have not maintained proper setbacks.
The Lotoli residents are furious with the Chogle Company officials for obstructing their traditional access to the sluice gate. The people, along with the Panchayat members and Comunidad officials, visited the site. It was found that a temporary permit was granted to the company to build a shed. But the company has built a huge structure along the pathway, thus obstructing their traditional access to the sluice gate.
Since the last 15-20 years, they have been stopping the public from going. They have been questioning them, asking them whom you are going, why you are going. And in this manner, the people are being harassed and they are not allowed to go to the sluice gates. So now people are being fed up of this repeated harassments. Now the latest instance was where one of the persons was targeted, wherein a complaint was filed at the police station saying that he slapped one of their workers, and he has been harassed by repeatedly called to the police station. Now in this manner they are trying to dissuade the people from going to the sluice gate.
The residents complained to the Panchayat that they are facing tremendous hardships and incurred huge losses in the fishing business. Later, the Lotoli Panchayat asked the Chogle Company to submit the documents for verification. Panchayat members say action will be initiated accordingly. Our reporter in Lotoli, Savio Dias.
Goa State Pollution Control Board has initiated investigation against the polluted Wade Lake at Vasco. They have collected water samples. Locals had complained that sewage water from buildings around is flowing into this nala. Prudent Media had highlighted this issue earlier.
Following complaints from some of the locals at Wade, Goa Pollution Control Board inspected the Wade Lake at Vasco. Board officials have noted the illegal garbage dumping in the lake and also sewerage outlet led into the lake from the buildings in the locality.
Surrounding building asa tanchi sewerage antun deonta. Apart from waste water and storm water, rain storm water, and sewerage deonta. And ali municipality namche Mormugao municipality illegal outlets banle, gutters banle, and lokachi ghanichi uda deonta. Tete na आता आमी सगळ्यांनी पळयला ते देंवता. And thirdly, थिंगा चोकअप जाला. तेजे नॅचरल इनलेट आउटलेट असलें ते चोकअप जाला because of siltation.
Board officials have collected water samples of the lake. Junior Environment Engineer of Goa State Pollution Control Board, Keshav Phadke, said they will submit the report soon.
लेक आमी पळयलो ताजे एक सॅम्पल घेतले सॅम्पलाच्यो एनालिसीस जातल्यो आनी देन द रिपोर्ट विल बी प्रेजेंटेड अकॉर्डिंगली द एक्शन विल बी टेकन आनी एक नाला पळयलो वीच लीड्स टू द रिवर तातूंत जे हावजीस वीच आर इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ द नाला तांची पायप सगळी म्हणजे तांची ड्रेनेज सिस्टम सगळी वीच इज लेट इन टू द नाला दॅट ऑल्सो हॅज बीन नोटेड डावन देन विल बी रिपोर्टिंग फॉर फर्दर नेसेसरी एक्शन.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.